Hey guys, it's Valerie here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So I am in the middle of putting together the zippers and the gusset for the seat cushions in the slipcover that I am making. And I just thought I would share a short video with you guys, the easiest way to put your zipper in your gusset when you are making a box cushion, right? So the first thing you need to do is to cut the pieces. I have actually cut this piece 7 inches, and the reason why I cut the 7 inches is because my box cushion is 5 inches deep. Plus I need an inch for seams on both sides, and I need another inch for inserting my zipper. So the lips here where my zipper is being inserted is 1/2 inch on each side, right? So you are safe to add 2 inches to the depth of your box cushion when you're cutting your gusset. And yeah, the gusset is that band that goes around the box cushion. Now you can make a box cushion without doing a tailored gusset, but I'm doing a tailored gusset in this slipcover. So I have removed the zippers from the old cushion covers, and these are the ones I am reusing here. So after you have cut your piece, what you do next is cut it into half. So each side here is 3.5 inches because the full piece is 7 inches. After you have cut your 2 strips, you want to then go ahead and lay your pieces out together nicely, and then you want to put your zipper on top. Let's just move this sewing machine over here. You want to put your zipper on top. And then what you're going to do is measure off from the end here, both ends actually, inwards, and you want to overlap your zipper at least 1/2 inch. So for me here, I have actually measured in 3 inches from both ends. I then put my pin in to mark my 3 inches. Then take it to the sewing, and the reason, sorry, let's just get back a bit, because the reason why you want to overlap your zipper here is because when you're done stitching, you don't want the ends of the zippers to be poking out. And another tip I can give you is if you're working with zippers that have raw ends just like these, some zippers come with the little metal thingy on the end here, the cap that stops it from sliding off, but mine didn't have it. So what I did was just to square up my zipper and then stitched across here so that when I'm pulling my zipper closed, it does not go over, and then yeah, I have to try to get the pull back on. I've also done it on the other end too, just to be safe, right? So that's just a tip for you. So yeah, you don't want your zipper to be poking out at the ends, so you mark at least 1/2 inch in from where your zipper starts, and then you take it to your sewing machine and you stitch from the edge inwards just about 1/2 inch from the edge of the fabric here. I have stitched inwards here, I have stitched inwards here. The next thing we're going to do is insert the zipper, right? Now for a beginner, the easiest way to insert the zipper is, see how my fabric is? It's on the wrong side. I'm going to grab hold of the lips right here. Just make sure you're close enough. Brought you in a little closer. So you're going to grab hold of the lips right here. And grab sounds a bit aggressive, doesn't it? Okay. So let's just take hold of the lips right here, and where the stitch stops right here, we're going to take our zipper and we are going to put it just about 1/2 inch from where the stitch is right here. We're going to put it on like this, and we're turning the zipper part here on the inside. So you can see the pull is on the inside, because when we're done, we want our zipper pull to be on the outside, right? And then we are going to go ahead and start stitching. And I am using a zipper foot. Now, if you don't have a zipper foot, you can use the regular presser foot. However, the zipper foot makes your job way easier, right? So you're not slipping and sliding. It has the shape for the zipper to just flow through easily. I'll go ahead and put my foot down, and then I'll start stitching. And I do go back just to knot my thread. And then, because I have 1/2 inch for my lip to insert my zipper, I'll go ahead and just put the edge of the zipper, line it up to the edge of the fabric, and start stitching. Okay, so here you can see that I'm lining up the edge of the zipper with the edge of the fabric. And you just do it in increments. You don't have to straight stitch all the way. Just do it in increments. If you can make it simple, don't make it complicated. And nothing is going to be perfect. So work with it. One way to help to keep it to the edge is just to follow along with your finger so it stays stable. Now what I'm going to do here is knot my thread. I'm going to lift the zipper foot up, and I'm going to take my pull and pull it past where I have stitched. Alright, then I'm going to put my zipper foot back down just where it was and start stitching again. Stitch all the way out to the end. Now that one side is finished, I'm going to flip this around, and I am going to start stitching the other side. Now I'll just straighten this up. There we go. And then we start stitching. Okay. This is the easiest way to insert the zipper in your box cushion gusset. Okay, so now the thread again. My zipper pull is right here. I'm going to pull past where I have stitched, and then start. There we go, and then keep stitching. And we are done. Now let's flip it and show you what we have done here. There we go. There we go. Our zipper is in. Now